Best app for iOS emojis on Android. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you the best iOS emojis app, easy and fast. So first thing, go to Play Store. This is the home page. Go to the top in the search bar and search for iOS emoji. And now you will find many options, but all what you have to do is click on the second one, save on 3. This app is the best one and it has 10 million downloads. As you can see, you can have those emojis and you can also change. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.